It's strong, it's stable, it's Deluxe trackless Autogate. It can withstand extreme weight even at up to 36 feet.
So, why is it so strong and stable? Wow, it's really strong and stable too. Wow, and it is wide too. It's because it's equipped with D-Trinology System and it has 5 unique features. Come, let me show you.
Feature 1. Patented 3 turning point arm locking system. So, what does it do? It locks all the panel of the Autogate and then it will become more secure and reduce break-ins.
Feature 2. 3-tier security system. First tier, it was what I mentioned just now, the patented 3 turning point arm locking system. Second tier is this latch here. It's like a giant hand holding all the gates panel together for maximum stability. Third tier is this secure stopper. It makes sure all your gate panels stays aligned, so it is always secure and stable. 3 tier of securities in one Autogate. Hey, no need to scan lah. Feature 3. High quality chemical treatment and powder coating. Each panel of the gate will be lowered into the chemical treatment liquid, so that is sparkling clean. And then powder coated, so that is rust free. It's durable and beautiful. Feature 4. German two-phase robotic welding. Here,
We only use robotic arms.
because sometimes human arms is a little bit careless. And we do not want that. The robotic arms is always precise. And you see, no screw once, because screw will loosen over time. And then your Autogate will start to stay. Yeah, we don't want that, right? So, our robotic welding will always guarantee your Autogate secure, nice, and durable. Feature 5. Copper stainless steel ball bearing. We only use copper stainless steel ball bearing. Why? Because copper stainless steel ball bearing, just like me, strong and thick skin, so it won't rust and crack easily. Plus, other Autogate, they only use 12 ball bearing. But, wow! We use 30 ball bearing leh. So, Deluxtrackless Autogate can always open so smoothly and stay so durable. Now you know all 5 powerful features of the D-Trinology System. You know why Deluxtrackless Autogate is so strong and stable?
Yeah!
Good! Now say it together with me.
It's strong, it's stable, it's Deluxe!